all over Pakistan, and 6 returning officers are separately appointed by the Election Commission specifically for scrutinizing the nomination forms within the prescribed period of candidates for reserved seats. So, my lord, I was coming back to Form 33. When Form 33 is issued, the voters, the electorate, it has notice that these are the candidates who will be contesting elections.
General seats.
General seats as well as, my lord, because there is a Form 33 for reserve seats also.
Just a minute. देखिए इसमें Form 33 में last जो column है 5,
जी सर,
उसमें party affiliation if any.
बिल्कुल.
ये आपको क्या कानून इख्तियार देता है कि आप डिटरमाइन करें कि ये पार्टी एफिलिएशन है या वो जो फॉर्म जमा होते हैं आपने जस्ट देखना है कि ये फॉर्म इसके साथ एफिलिएशन है तो ये पार्टी के, इस फॉर्म के साथ एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट नहीं है तो वो इंडिपेंडेंट है.
बिल्कुल जी.
क्या ये इस तरह है या आपके इसमें इख्तियार है कि आप खुद डिटरमाइन?
मैं एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ. माय लॉर्ड, आई वाज गोइंग टू कम टू इट बट आई एम हैप्पी टू आंसर दिस. दिस इज एक्चुअली वन ऑफ द सेंट्रल क्वेश्चंस व्हिच वाज being discussed in the bench in the morning session. If I can just argue sequentially, I'll come. I will be, my lord. I will be addressing this.
Please go ahead. Please note कर लें.
But my lord, this is. I will answer it in detail.
Note कर लें.
Note it. My lord, the short answer to that is.
Please आप अपने तरीके से.
For lighter note, सिद्दीकी साहब ने भी 10-12 क्वेश्चन मेरे नोट के जवाब किसी का नहीं दिया.
My lord, I promise. Let's have a score, my lord. कि सिद्दीकी साहब और मेरा स्कोर क्या रहता है? I promise I'll be answering.
आप question one noted.
And I may not. I don't know whether I'll be successful in the case. But I'm going to win this.
बैठ जाए. Question one noted. What's his name? Your associates?
Abdullah.
Abdullah, you'll be penalized if you don't remind him. Note. Sit down and
Abdullah
note question
also
one.
keep score, sir. Okay, how many questions I missed? He can keep score, sir. My lord. My lord, Form 33. There is a Form 33 for reserve seats. There's a Form 33 for general seats. Always. It's there. It's on record. I'll come to it. That is the form, my lord, which is noticed to the electorate that these are the candidates who are going to be, in the case of general seats, on the ballot paper, and in the case of reserve seats, they are candidates of political parties who have filed Form 66. Form 66, my lord, is the reserved seat for the political parties list for reserve seats. That is a form. It is regulated by the rules. It's provided for in Rule 92.7, my lord, right. And the form is Form 66. So, my lord, just nomenclature, I'll be calling it Form 66.
This is for reserve seats.
Yes, my lord.
Form 66.
Specifically. My lord, this expression that is being used, list, the legal expression is Form 66. That's what the statute refers to it as. So, my lord, what I was submitting was political parties which have within the prescribed period filed a Form 66 and their candidates filed their nomination forms within the period specified in the election program, whose nomination forms have been accepted, go into the Form 33. Form 33 is notice to the world, to the electors of this country.
33 and 66.
My lord, Form 33, I said.
Not 66.
No, my lord. 66 is the list. So,
okay.
By the party. 66 is the list provided by the party.
My lord, actually the list जो है, ये भी मैं समझा देता हूँ.
बुनियाद पे ये 66 बनता है.
बिल्कुल जी, बिल्कुल. My lord, जो forms
आप बनाते हैं.
जी जी. My lord, the Form 66.
पहले जरा अगर इसको आप जो है ना, पहले आप जनरल सीट का कंप्लीट करके and then come to the reserve seats.
ठीक है जी. My lord, all I am submitting is that दोनों का process identical है. The same provisions of law apply.
Stages बता देना.
Stages, बिल्कुल. So my lord, what I have done is I can go to that straight away after I make this one. I clarify this point.
But it begins.
I have a sample of my lord. I have a whole set of a candidate for reserve seats, and if I may have permission, I think that will be very helpful. I'll just take my lord through a real set of what happens to a candidate, like my lord wants to see. वो nomination form file करता है, वो क्या होता है, और एक general seat का है.
General seat से शुरू कर.
General seat का शुरू कर दूं जी. General seat से.
You have copies for all of us?
जी my lord, they're all in my जी H
इस पेज पे
मैं आ रहा हूँ जी. हाँ किधर है मेरा? हाँ नहीं अली बुखारी इंडिपेंडेंट. My lord, I have a package here for page 239.
You returned.
For a returned independent candidate.
किस जगह?
Page 239. It starts there. This candidate's name was Shahid Ahmed, and it was for NA 38.
238.
9, my lord. Sorry, I beg your pardon.
Form A.
G. So, my lord, the first thing that comes is the election program is issued. The RO invites nomination forms, and the nomination form is given. Here, before I come to page 241, my lord, because that
Just
is
one little question for
Sir,
my
of course,
clarity.
madam.
So when he files the Form A, does he then have, suppose if he's representing a party, a political, he must then already have a ticket to file this?
no, my lord. This is, you see, that's
But
why
later there could be more than one.
My lord, may I samjha deta hu? Then may I please, because this was to answer my lord's questions. If I just am allowed a little bit of time to go in my sequence, all of this will come up.
Sure.
May I
There's some
revert?
rough edges
I
which you want to
apologize, my
understand
lord.
from you. That's okay.
My lord, I will answer your question. That's very pertinent right now.
Theek.
My lord, there are two clarifications, I think. One, my lord, जो reserve seats की list है, Form 66. The Constitution says it is submitted by the political party to the Election Commission, not by the candidate to the RO. Section 104 then says that when the candidate applies for a reserve seat, he must submit the same documents to the RO also. एक ये चीज होगी जी. दूसरा, my lord's question, this is very relevant actually. So, my lord, the nomination form gets filed right at the beginning. This is stage 2. At that stage, the law does not, and for this will answer my lord's, Mr. Justice Bandukhe's point. I'm going to read section 66 and 67.
You mean to say that despite filing list by the political party, the candidates mentioned in that list shall also file their nomination papers separately?
G, my lord, because my lord, he is at the end. My lord, let me make this point that a reserve seat for women or non-Muslim is as much of an MNA as a general seat MNA. And this is important, and I will develop on this. The reserve seat for women candidate can be Prime Minister. That's why the electorate must have notice in terms of Form 33 of the candidate before they go to vote. Exactly, my lord. उनको पता हो कि ये, as I said,
for instance, a Muslim cannot contest on a non-Muslim
yes, my lord.
seat.
And my lord, there may be a voter who says, I am a die-hard supporter of Party X, but if Sikandar is in their reserved list, I will not vote for him.
Very harsh.
Sikandar is neither non-Muslim nor a woman, but I was just making a point, my lord.
I didn't want to upset anyone.
I didn't want to take anyone's name. So
For my knowledge,
my lord.
Question. After filing the nomination paper, after filing the list by the party and filing the nomination paper by Sikandar, can he withdraw the nomination?
Yes, my lord. Is this question, is Sikandar applying for a general seat or a reserve seat?
Reserve seat?
Yes, my lord, he can.
कमर इस्तेमाल करने दोनों के लिए चल जाएगा.
ठीक है जी. My lord, yes, he can. Up to 12/1/2024, which is the step 8 in the election program. My lord, as I said, every single provision relating to scrutiny nomination forms is identical to the, and my lords are very used to seeing in election matters those. It's the same process.
ये बताएं that you're saying this form is available for the public to look at the party list. Where is it available?
My lord,
during the course of when it's filed.
It is. I will read the provision. It is also uploaded on the website of the Election Commission of Pakistan.
आप कब करते हैं? So as a member of the public A and who wants to be very diligent, where will that person see Form 33?
Form 33 is published. It's a public document.
And Form 66, when will they see Form 66?
They will see Form 66. Leadership Form.
Form 66 कहाँ upload करते हैं या public को कहाँ से मिल रहा है?
Leadership, beg your pardon. That is filed with the nomination papers also, and it is given to the ECP, and the ECP publishes it.
Yes, इसमें लिखा है 104 की last line में.
जी.
Such list to be published for information of public.
Yes, may I proceed? So the other point, so I can withdraw. Now the point I want to clarify. So my lord, nomination papers were to be filed. I'm taking practical, real examples. Sikandar had to file his nomination papers by 24th, whether he was a general candidate or a reserve seat candidate. The allocation of symbols, my lord, this is my lord's queries, and this has been something which has been
so my question was that with the nomination paper, he files the...
I'm just going to answer it. So my lord, in the case of a candidate for reserve seats, he says, I am attached to this party and I give my Form 66 to you to demonstrate that I am validly nominated. In the case of a general seat, there are only two options in the scheme of the law. One is you contest election on a general seat with the support of a political party. The legal nomenclature of this, in the language of the Election Act, it means that that candidate has done two acts. They are voluntary acts. They are his choice. He has given a declaration on oath of the nominated candidate. These are the words on the top of the page in the Form A, which has been referred to many times. He gives I'll come to that, my lord, but before that I want to read 66 and 67, and then I'll explain it all. So, my lord, the general seats candidate has to do two things, and with utmost respect, a lot of the focus has been on his declaration. It's not enough. Section 66 and 67 envisage a combination of two acts and documents for this nomination to be complete. That is, one, he gives a declaration that I belong to X party. If my lord will see, I know my lord has that page, then it says, or, the form gives you only two choices. It says, I belong to X and my party affiliation certificate. That is the legal language of what we call the ticket.
इस notification के preamble में section 104 का reference क्यों नहीं है?
My lord, because this is the election program which is being issued.
Reserve seats की भी बात की है तो 104 का reference क्यों नहीं है?
My lord, इसमें reserve seats are covered in paragraph 2.
Why you are not mentioned section 104?
My lord, this is referring to section 104 is connected through paragraph 2. That is my submission.
Why this submission?
My lord, with utmost respect, I don't think the election program stands vitiated because... ठीक है जी, वो भी उड़ा देते हैं फिर जी. But my humble submission is that it does not vitiate...
Your reply suggests how you conducted the election.
My lord, I leave it at that. My submission is that nothing turns on it is my respectful submission, sir. The Act, section 104 is part of the law. It has not been set aside. It is there. It was applied.
Yes.
Grateful, my lord.
Everything is a part of the law.
Yes, my lord. So, my lord, may I read the opening notification, the opening paragraph? Pursuant to the announcement of poll date by the Election Commission of Pakistan, video notification dated 3rd of November 2023, and on 8th February 2024, the Election Commission of Pakistan, in terms of Article 224 read with 254 of the Constitution and Section 57(2), this is, my lord, the most relevant section of the Elections Act and all other powers enabling it in that behalf, hereby calls upon the electors of the National Assembly and provincial assemblies in Punjab, Sindh, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Balochistan to elect their representatives from each of the constituencies to the general seats in connection therewith, and in connection therewith appoints the following dates for various activities of the election to the aforesaid assemblies. Now, my Lord, let's please just go through these stages. They are all very crucial and relevant. First, my Lord, public notice is issued. Then, my Lord, there is a time period for filing of the nomination papers. This applies to both candidates for general seats and reserve seats. Publication of names of the nominated candidates. Then, my Lord, scrutiny under Section 60 takes place before the returning officer. There are appeals provided for that. And then, my Lord, I come to 7. There is, my Lord, publication of revised list. These are the candidates whose nomination papers have been accepted.
रिजर्व सीट का भी होता है ना
जी जी माय लॉर्ड मैं उसी पे अभी आ रहा हूँ जी बिल्कुल आइडेंटिकल उसका इसी तरह होता है जी देन माय लॉर्ड last date for withdrawal of candidature and publication of revised list of candidates. This is when all the candidates stand locked in. It's when this list Form 33 or 33. My Lord, this last list is in terms of Form 33, which I'll come to, which is very relevant.
Which is basic document.
That's the basic document, my Lord. So the Form 33, when we reach the Form 33 stage, there's a Form 33 for general seats, and likewise, identical process, there's a Form 33 for reserve seats. There are returning officers, my Lord, as